Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door net. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a spline roller, a utility knife, and your new screening material. Make sure you have enough screen, typically a few inches larger than your frame on all four sides. Also, measure your door frame opening precisely to ensure you purchase the correct size of replacement screen. A clean, flat workspace will make this project much easier and safer for everyone involved. Now that we have our tools ready, let's move on to removing the old screen. Start by carefully locating the end of the old spline, which is the rubber cord holding the screen in place. Use a small screwdriver or awl to gently pry it out of the groove. Once the spline is removed, you can easily pull the old, worn-out screen material away from the door frame. Take a moment to clean the spline groove thoroughly, removing any dirt or debris. With the old screen gone and the frame clean, it's time for the new installation. Lay your new screen material over the door frame, making sure it overlaps the spline groove by at least 1 inch on all four sides. Start at one corner, gently pressing the new spline into the groove using your spline roller. Work slowly and consistently around the entire frame, maintaining even tension on the screen to prevent sagging or wrinkles. Almost done. Once the spline is fully seated around the entire frame, it's time to trim the excess screen material. Using a sharp utility knife, carefully cut along the outer edge of the spline, removing any overhang. Take your time to ensure a clean, straight cut. Finally, inspect your newly installed screen for proper tension and a neat appearance. Give the door a few test opens and closes to ensure the screen does not interfere with its operation. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.